Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! And you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes! So I will be providing you all the information that you need to know from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm so excited to share the new collection of LV launching January 2026. First guys, we have the Mahina collection. So first on this one, we have this very beautiful Blossom PM, priced at 4,450 USD. So as you can see, the material is calfskin leather that is perforated with cowhide leather trims, and I love that it comes with detachable leather pochette inside. Very spacious. Also, just like with this Bella bag, priced at 4,450 USD. So it is like a neo-noe in the Mahina collection, which has the perforated calfskin leather. So that is the interior. As we can see here, it has drawstring for closure, and it comes with detachable round coin pouch, as we could see here, that you could use on other bags as well. So let us discuss some SLGs from the collection. So first we have the Iris wallet. So for the Iris wallet, as you can see, it has the same material, and the colorway of this one, guys, by the way, is named as jade green. So this is the interior. It has zippered pocket on the inside as well. So this is the back side, which has, you know, the perforated LV detail. Next on the SLG for the Mahina collection, so we have the Zippy wallet. So we have the Zippy wallet, and then of course we have the SKU here. Just kindly take a screenshot for the prices, and please do check with your CA. So this is a full zip wallet, as you can see. So it has multiple card slots inside. It has zippered pocket in the middle. Then of course it has space for our bills, credit cards, and many more. Next on the SLG collection, so we have the very beautiful Claire wallet. So we have M28067. Material is perforated calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. This is the interior. How beautiful. Then of course the colorway of this one is still jade green, and of course, actually, I forgot to mention that the hardware of this one is in gold tone, which I feel complements well with the jade green colorway of the Mahina collection. So another colorway of the Mahina collection would be the Galley Gray, just like this example. So we have the all-around PM. So price, unfortunately, kindly do stand by. So guys, again, I have discussed this previously, but what does this bag kind of reminds you of? So if I'm not mistaken, it kind of reminds me of an Hermes bag, but still. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, so let us discuss the next collection. We have the Low Key collection. launching January 2026. First, we have the guys this very beautiful Speedy Soft 30 in bandolier. Price is only at 4,300 USD. We have SKU here. Material is the soft calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is black, and of course it comes with detachable leather strap with of course the padlock detail, so you could adjust the strap. Then we have the very beautiful vanity pouch, price at 2,800 USD, still from the Loki collection. So this vanity pouch, guys, so it's a little bit slimmer compared to the regular vanity pouch of LV. So the colorway of this one is in cognac, and of course this is how it looks like if you're going to wear it. We could wear it as a shoulder bag and even as a crossbody. Then guys, not part of the low-key, but still I feel a little bit understated, we have the new Empreinte collection. First, we have the return or the reinvention of the hobo métis. SKU M27189. So as you can see, the material is Empreinte leather in noir, comes with gold tone hardware, and of course we are going to see the métis detail like the front pockets with the gold hardware, which it would come in the colorway tortorelle. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So it comes with two straps, detachable top handle that you could wear as a shoulder bag, and of course comes with detachable strap that you could wear as a crossbody. So this is the interior with magnetic lock closure, very spacious. I believe this one is also perfect for everyday, for travel, even for whatever you would be putting here would also fit in. Then guys, part of the Empreinte collection, we have the card holder. So price of this one is 360 euro or 470 USD. So material is in Empreinte leather in the colorway pink. So as you can see, it comes with the LV charms, so gorgeous. But these charms, guys, are not detachable. I love that it comes attached in a D-ring, so you could attach this one on any class inside your bag. Then we have the very beautiful and one of my personal favorite SLG, the Victorine wallet. Price is 540 euro or 755 USD. Material is Empreinte leather. It is very beautiful, like maybe a bright or maybe a sacra pink colorway. Then of course, oh, they're calling it the confetti pink. Apologies for that one. So that is the interior, how it looks like. And then of course we have the Rosalie coin purse, price at 400 euro or 520 USD. Materials Empreinte leather in the confetti pink colorway. This is the interior, snap button closure, but it has a zippered pocket inside. So this is the back part, as we could see. Love the very beautiful and very girly of the Rosalie coin purse and this collection as well. Then guys, next one, let us discuss the new Capucines collection. This one, guys, very beautiful. Perhaps one of my favorite. We have the Capucines Nano. Price is 9,000 USD. Material is Tyrolean leather, and the entirety of the Capucines is encrusted with rhinestones, as we could see here. It comes with detachable strap with gold hardware. Next on the Capucines collection, so it would come in the mini size. Price is 9,700 USD. So the colorway of this one is like in the beige colorway, but just like the black one a while ago, the entirety of the Tyrolean leather is embellished in rhinestones, which is so gorgeous. But for me, guys, I really do prefer the black one because I love the contrast of the black leather with the silver crystals. Another embellished Capucines, we have the mini size. Price is 11,000 USD. Material Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims. This one, so it is embellished with beadwork. So we are going to have a zoom here. Unfortunately, the backside is plain. Then of course, it would come with detachable strap. As you can see, guys, it is beadwork, so very different from the rhinestones that we have seen a while ago. Then this one, Capucines Mini, part of the exotic collection. So we have price of 12,600 USD. So we have the SKU here. So the exotic leather, as we can see here, is embellished with beadworks as well. So to be honest, guys, I'm a little bit afraid and scared of this material, especially it is embellished in beadworks. So next we have Capucines Mini. So we have the first look of the Datewood collection. Materials in Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims embellished with LV flowers on top, and it comes with detachable strap. So once I have more information and new design for the Datewood collection, definitely I would be creating a separate vlog. So please do stand by for that one. So as you can see, it comes with gold hardware with detachable leather strap. So next, again, a new collection. So a preview, we have the Mirage collection. Materials in Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims. As you're going to see, guys, the top handle, 1/3 of it is embellished with I'm not sure this that mini chain, so I'm not really sure, to be honest. I'm not really sure how comfortable that would be if you're going to top handle this bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!